Yeah, hi guys, welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle. The fourth and last puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper on a Wednesday. Yes, it's the Wednesday, August the 1st, 2022. And yes, today it's a hot day. Yes, again, a hot day. But we have the last puzzle. The last puzzle in this additional already done three puzzles, the Sudoku with 3 stars, the 4 stars, and the binary. So now it's time for the Tectonic with 4 stars. In Dutch they call it cipher block. And this will be number 4958. 4958. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 14 printed digits. Should be an easy one because the hard ones has 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. This one 14. But for 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. Yes, 30 minutes or more. We will see if this is a really 4 stars. So let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes? Because the single box is always a 1. Here a single box, there a single box. Always a 1. Alright. Do we have dual boxes here? Yeah, I see here one dual box. There, dual box contains the 1 and the 2. I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those. I do not know in which order. Here also the 1 and 2. Triple boxes then. Do we have triple boxes here? Let me scan. Triple box. Where are you? No triple boxes here. Quadra boxes then. Do we have quadra boxes in this puzzle? Oh, we missed this dual box. Contains the 1 and the 2. The 1 is already filled in, so this box should be a 2. Okay, quadra box. Let me scan. No quadra boxes. That means the following strategy, the next strategy, is to recognize some shapes, some figures, some structures or constructions. For example, this shape. Let me draw the shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same name as that box. So in this case, it's a 1. Okay. So this box has the same name as that box. And now we have a 1 here. So this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1 and this box should be a 2. Okay. Here another 1. So this box has the same name as that box. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? Scan. Nope. Then the following shape. How about the L shape? Let me draw the L shape here. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same name as that box. So this box has the same name as that box. Okay, only one L shape. Then the following shape, how about the Z or the S construction? If you flip this figure, you will get the Z, but this is the S. Let me draw this here. Alright. When you see the S figure, remember that this box has the same name as that box. So this box has the same name as that box. But also that box has the same name as this box. So that box has the same name as the box. Okay, only one Z or S construction in this puzzle. Oh, overlook this L shape. We have another L shape. Yeah, so this box has the same name as that box. Okay, and I believe those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have only 3 of them. Let me scan again. Yes, only 3 that you need to recognize. Maximum are 6, but not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 3 that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those three those shapes, well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get starting filling those numbers. These three boxes surround the one can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. These three boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. But also that box can be a 1 because we have a double 1 here. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those two boxes. So here can be 1. These three can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1. In this W area shape should be there. Okay. These are three boxes surround the 2. Can it be a 2? So the 2 could be here, could be there. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can be 4, cannot be a 5. It's in the same area. Yes, definitely 3. Okay. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Should be a 5. Yes. I think this box should be a 1 because it can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 1. Then. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely 5. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 5. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely 4. One box left in this area for number 3. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 3. These three boxes surround the 3, can be 3. So one box left for the 3 should be there. These two boxes can be 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. These three boxes surround the 3, can be 3, so one box left for the 3 should be there. These three boxes surround the 3, can be a 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 4. Let me mark those 2 and 4, 2 and 4. And this box is connected with that box, should be also 2 and 4. But we already have a 4 here. So it can't be 4 anymore. This box should be a 2. Is connected with that box, should be also a 2. One box left in this area for number 4. Alright. These two boxes can be 5. So the 5 goes together with the 3 as a pair. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. So 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 1 and 4. 1 and 4. Let me mark those two boxes. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1. We have a double 1 there. Can it be a 2? Can it be 3? We have can it be a 4? We have a double 4 there. Yes, definitely a 5. Now we have a 5 there, so this box can be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5. And this box should be a 3. Alright, I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be 5, yes, definitely 4. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 2. Let me mark those two boxes. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1 or a 2. We have a double 1 there, double 2 there. Can be 3, can be 4, yes, definitely a 5. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 2. Let me mark those 1 and 2, 1 and 2. Then these are three boxes surround the 2. Can it be a 2? So the 2 could be here, could be there. Then I think this box should be a 1 because it can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 1. Then I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can it be a 5? Yes, definitely a 4. Okay. This box can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Yeah. I think. Let me see. This box can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. 1, 2, 4, 3, 5. Come on, come on, come on. It's taking too long. I think this box should be a 4. Otherwise, I cannot trigger those 2 numbers. But let me wait. Let me wait. 1, 2, 3. This box can be a 3. So the 3 goes together with the 2 as a pair. 2 and a 3, 2 and a 3. So 1 digit left in this area for the number 1. Okay, these 2 boxes can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Okay. 2 and a 3, that means that those 2 boxes can be a 2 or a 3. We have a double 2 there, double 3 there, so these 2 boxes can be 2 and a 3. The 2 and a 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and a 3, 2 and a 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. I've marked those 2 boxes with a 3. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 and more. That box should be a 3. Okay, 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 4 goes there. Told you this box should be a 4, otherwise I cannot trigger those 2 boxes. Now we have a 4 there, so this box can be 4 and more. That box should be a 4 and this box should be a 1. These 2 boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be there. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 and more. That box should be a 2 and this box should be a 1. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 and more. That box should be a 2 and this box should be a 1. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. Let me mark those 4 and 5, 4 and 5. This box can be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. Well, I need to wait here. 2 and a 3. We have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 2 goes there. This box can be a 2. So the 2 goes together with the 5 as a pair. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. 1 box left in this W area shape for the number 4. I think this box should be 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely 5. Now we have a 5 there, so this box can be 5 and more. That box should be a 5. This box should be a 2. Now we have a 5 there, so this box can be 5 and more. That box should be a 5. And this box should be a 4. Alright. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be a 5. It's in the same area. Yes, definitely a 4. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and a 2, 1 and a 2. This box is connected with that box. Should be also 1 and a 2, but we already have a 2 there, so it can be 2 anymore. This box should be a 1. Is connected with that box. Should be also a 1. 1 box left in this area for number 2. 2 numbers left in this Z or S construction for numbers 2 and the 4. Well, let me mark those 2 and a 4. Cannot fill this yet. These 2 boxes can be 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Let me think. This box can be a 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. That means that this box can be a 3 because we have a double 3 there, so the 3 could be here, could be there. But it's not helping me. Not helping me. These 2 boxes can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. That means we have a double 2 there. This box can be 2 anymore. If I place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box should be a 4. And that box should be a 2. These 2 boxes can be 4, so the 4 goes together with the 1 as a pair. The 1 and the 4, 1 and the 4. This box is connected with that box, should be so the 1 and the 4. The other pair in this area should be the 2 and the 5. Let me mark those 2 and the 5, 2 and the 5. Let me see. 1 and a 4, 2. Well, I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1 or a 4. We have a double 1 here, double 4 there. Yeah, double 1, double 4. Can be 1, can be a 2. Should be a 3, can be 4. We have a double 4 there. Can be a 5. We have a double 5 there. Yes, definitely 3. Alright. This box can be a 1 or a 2 because we have double 1 here, double 2 there. So the double 1 and the double 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair, 1 and 2. 1 digit left in this area for number 5. Now we have a 5 there, so this box can be 5 and more. That box should be a 5. This box should be a 2. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 and more. That box should be a 2. And this box should be a 1. Let me think. This box. No. These two boxes can be 5. So 1 box left for the 5 should be there. This box can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. So 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for the pair 1 and a 4. But I cannot place the 1 here because we have a double 1 there. So it's not a solution to place the 1 there. The 1 supposed to be here. And the 4 goes here. This box is connected with that box. Should be also a 1. 1 box left in this area for the number 4. Now we have a 1 here. So this box give me 1 and more. That box should be a 1. And this box should be a 2. I think this box should be a... No. I've marked those 2 boxes with 1. Now we have a 1 there. So this box can be a 1 and more. That box should be a 1. And I've eliminated the 3. So the 3 goes there. A 1 box left in this area for number 2. I think this box should be a... No. I've marked those 2 boxes with a 3. Now we have a 3 there. So this box can be 3 and more. That box should be a 3. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1. And the 4, we have a 1 there. No 1 there. 1 should be here. And the 4 goes there. Finishing 16 minutes. Told you. Cannot be a 4 stars Sudoku with 14 printed digits. So not the 4 stars. Not the 3 stars. Let me give this 2 stars. For 1 star, I need to be faster than 15 minutes. Well, I'm well pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up or the thumbs down? Alright. Thank you again for watching. And we will meet again tomorrow on Thursday. So have a great and fantastic Wednesday. We will meet again tomorrow. Until then, bye-bye for now.